watching this right now, you're likely a realtor, you own a team, or you own a firm, and you want to look into AI solutions to grow your business tenfold. And I'm going to show you a real life applicable example of how you can use it yourself. So the best way to show you is to show and not tell. So let me just call our AI real quick and you can actually listen to it in action. So, hello? Yeah, who are you?
Hi, this is Josh with Realty Group. Do you remember filling out a form about selling your home?
Yeah, I do. What is this about?
Great. I've worked with John for a while, and he specializes in helping people get top dollar for their homes with his effective marketing tactics. Is it okay if I ask you a couple of questions to get started, and then we can schedule a time for you to meet with John?
Yeah, what questions do you have for me?
First, are you looking to sell your home, buy a home, or both?
I'm actually looking to both buy and sell my home.
Perfect. We can definitely help with that. Let's start with some information about the home you want to sell. How many bedrooms are in your current home?
Yeah, I have about 5 bedrooms in my home right now.
Great. And how many bathrooms do you have?
I have 3 bathrooms. One of them is a shared bathroom.
Got it. 3 bathrooms. How quickly are you looking to sell your home?
You know, I've been looking for a while, so as soon as possible.
Understood. Are there any specific amenities in your home, like a pool, waterfront, or anything else you'd like to mention?
A waterfront would be amazing, but I don't have that, sadly. We do have a pool in the backyard and a trampoline.
That sounds great. Now, for the home you're looking to buy, how many bedrooms are you looking for?
So the home I'm looking to buy, I want 5 bedrooms in it too.
All right. And how many bathrooms are you looking for in the new home?
More bathrooms would be ideal. So, I mean, if we can get 4 and not have a shared one, that would be amazing.
Got it. And how quickly are you looking to buy your new home?
So I can buy a new home as quickly as I can sell my current one. So whenever I sell my current one, I'm ready to buy another one.
Understood. Are there any specific amenities you're looking for in the new home, like a pool or waterfront?
You know, I mean, another pool would be amazing. Waterfront is definitely ideal, but I mean, there's not much around here.
All right, a pool and waterfront noted. Would you be open to scheduling an in-person appointment to discuss your options with John?
Yeah, sure, let's do it.
Great. Could you please provide me with your address for the in-person appointment?
Yep, my address is 123 Pine Street, Ypsilanti.
Okay. Thank you. What time works best for you tomorrow, 11 a.m. or 2 p.m.?
Huh. Do you have any more options?
I can also offer you a 4 p.m. slot. Would that work for you?
4 p.m. Is that tomorrow?
Yes, it is. Does 4 p.m. tomorrow work for you?
Yeah, let's do it.
Perfect. I've scheduled you for 4 p.m. tomorrow. Does that time work 100% for you?
Yep, 100%, and you can come to my address that I just provided.
Great to hear. Do you have any questions for the time being?
What's the name of the company you represent?
We are Realty Group. Our contact number is 404-568-8598. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.
Okay. What area do you guys service again?
We provide real estate services to the Atlanta, Georgia area.
Okay. Do you guys help both buyers and sellers? Because, I mean, you asked me both the questions.
Yes, we assist both buyers and sellers with their real estate needs. John specializes in getting top dollar for homes and helping buyers find their ideal property.
Cool. I appreciate all the help. Have a good one. So that right there is a real life actual example of an AI calling, qualifying, and you can see it went through the script perfectly. Not only that, it booked an appointment, and then the last part, it was able to answer questions about the business, answer anything that the customer asked, and it was fully responsive, knowing exactly what I was asking it, when I was asking it. And that's the true power of voice AI. And we don't just do voice AI, that's the coolest part, but we also do text message, email, SMS, DMs, anything and everything AI, we can do it, right? So you're probably wondering too, like, what exactly is this and who are we? We're really just more a small end company. We're not a massive corporation. We have that one-on-one personal connection with people. And we found a real life solution to actually calling leads, converting leads, and making deals happen real time, right? And what we found out too is if you as a realtor stop calling leads and stop generating leads, you would fail miserably. But if you had just those two parts, calling leads and getting leads in, then your entire business would run automatically because it only relates on those two aspects of the business. So that's why we actually built the DRE growth infrastructure for realtors. And now, let me just kind of give you some clarity on this too. Imagine you were a realtor in the late 1800s who insisted on just using horse-drawn carriages for transportation, and you refused to acknowledge the emerging automobile technologies, right? Because you were just driving around the horse-drawn carriages, but in reality, there was cars coming out, right? And you would be late to your meetings, unable to keep up with the speed and efficiencies of all your competitors, and that's exactly what AI solutions are now, right? It's emerging above everything, and the power of it is insurmountable, right? So, contrary to popular belief, most people think, oh, AI isn't better than a human, it's not as good. Well, the fact is, it is as good now. It's actually better than anything else now. And that's kind of the power of AI. Let me give you some clarity too. It's able to call 24/7 around the clock. So if a lead calls you in the middle of the night, oh, your receptionist is sleeping, well, guess what? We have an AI that'll answer the call, book them in. It does inbound, outbound, all of the above. So it'll call your leads, it'll answer your leads, and we all know speed to lead is the most important factor. So what if you had an AI that can call them within 1 minute of them either filling out the form or inquiring about your services? The proof is actually just in the process. And you're probably wondering, who is this random guy? Well, my name is John, and our company actually started as a landscaping company almost 4 years ago or so. And we started as a landscaping company, and we realized there was a bunch of problems with the local industry, and we didn't want to stay local. We wanted to kind of be global across the world, right? So that's kind of what we transitioned to. We started switching into just regular lead gen, and then ChatGPT came out, and we're like, maybe there's something about this AI revolution. And we looked further into it, and we actually connected ChatGPT, voice AI solutions, and a couple other platforms to create these actual real-time AI solutions that you just heard at the start of this call, right? And right now, we're working with home improvement companies, franchise consultants, realtors, and a bunch of other industries, and helping them scale using these AI growth infrastructures, right? And our systems proved to work so well that we gained recognition across a couple different brands. We have 5 stars on Google, 5 stars on Facebook, and a plethora of different awards from companies like UpCity, StoreList, Expertise.com, and a couple many more. And those are just awards that we've been given just because of the expertise and the things that we've achieved in these industries, right? And now we're helping every industry scale with real solutions and real systems to actually improve all of their overall efficiencies using lead gen and all different solutions alike, right? And we implement this for all these companies to get leads on their own and handle the appointment setting. So all you need to do is show up to the appointments and bring them along the process to ultimately close the deal for yourself. And we're not just looking for any random realtor. We're looking for the right realtor, which means if we're going to provide you with these AI solutions, and the AI is going to book appointments in your calendar, tell customers this, tell customers that about you, then we need to make sure that you are actually the right realtor for these AI solutions, which means you must be on time 100% of the time. You must provide 10 out of 10 services, and you must care about your reputation just like our reputation, because our reputation is on the line just like yours. And you must use the calendar correctly, because if the AI is going to book something in for you, it means you must show up to those appointments on time at the correct place, right? And overall, all that really means is you must be a really good realtor. Simple as that. So if this is something that you'd want to implement for yourself, then schedule a call below and we can take it from there. Or if you're local, we can schedule an in-person appointment and just meet with you one-on-one and show you the actual solutions in person. So nevertheless, feel free to reach out and we can go from there. Have a great rest of your day.